Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am Sandhya Gupta. Welcome to another video of mine. Today, through this video, I'm going to talk about how to learn speaking English from zero. Zero means a level where you can't speak a simple or single sentence in English with confidence. That is called zero level. You would not believe just 1.5 years before I was at the same level. That time I was not able to speak simple sentence in English. I would get nervous if I start or if I try to speak in English. And because of that, despite being a bright student in academic, I faced humiliation many times in interviews and among friend circle as well. When I was not able to speak in English, my friend was speaking simple sentence with fluency. That time I used to be like, wow, how smart they are. And I always would dream when that day will come, I'll speak in English. So this way years passed on. I always try to speak in English, but I never couldn't be successful. I never could attain that level of fluency I was always desiring to attain. But after facing 2-3 times humiliation from people, I really made my mind and I decided no, at any cost, this time I will learn speaking English. So just 1.5 year before, when I was watching YouTube videos how to learn speaking English, a video of Alina Reyes came across, and in of her video she was mentioning that why are you waiting? We Indian people have a tendency of procrastination, right? So the day when you will feel humiliation, that day you will feel the need of learning speaking English. So why are you waiting to be humiliated? And that day you will make up your mind to learn speaking English. Just start from today. And those lines of hers clicked my mind, and really that particular day I started my journey of speaking English. So I really watched many of videos of her, and I found her suggestion really valuable. So I started my journey from that day. That time I was at zero level, so I started my journey from zero to this level. So actually in the beginning it was not easy for me to speak in English and have conversation with anyone. So I started my journey from zero level to now that level. I started learning sentences into English and tried to speak them aloud every day. So here I would tell you, if you're also from Hindi medium background, then you too can speak in English. So how to start your journey from zero? You can start your journey of speaking English from, translating Hindi to English method. This way what will happen actually, if you are from Hindi medium background, you would be always surrounded by Hindi medium speaker. Even your textbook would be also in Hindi, right? So during your schooling life you never studied books in English except just one subject. So this way you could never immerse with English environment. You never went through English sentence structures, you never came across vocabulary. So your level of knowing vocabs and sentence structure will not be so good. So in this situation, what you can do, you can start your journey of speaking English through translation method. Actually, through translation method, what will happen? You will be preparing some sentences and you will be storing all those sentences in your mind, and those prepared sentences will work for you as an asset when you will have conversation with someone in the future. So just to start your journey, translate some sentence and just keep in your mind so that you can use in your conversation. So that's all for this video. Do practice your daily routine for 15 days, from waking up to going to bed, and do this exercise only 15 days and you will evolve a lot. You will be having more confidence to speak new sentences, and you will be ready to take up your journey higher. So that's all for this video. You keep learning, keep growing. Bye.